Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert number to word in Excel. So first of all, press Alt plus F11 key to insert a module. Yes, this is the Visual Basic form. Insert module and write code at a function, spell number function. You can download this function code in the link given in the description box below. Yes, the code is added. Now save, close the Visual Basic application, and then call the spell number function equal to spell number. Yes, click the cell of the number. Yes, 555 only. Now you can put the number. It will be automatically convert to word with decimal 5,89,600 and send 26 only. You can replace the cent with paisa. Okay, so first of all, find the cents in the function and then write paisa. Okay, save again, and now if you put number, it will be paisa. Yes, now 3 and paisa 27 only. Now save the file, go to the file menu and click on save as, browse, select the Excel macro enable workbook that help you to execute the function in the Excel file. Click on save. Yes, it's saved. Now close the application and open the file that you selected, Excel macro enable workbook XLSM file. Change the number, press enter. Yes, now see that it's displaying an error, enable content. Okay, now it's working fine. Thank you.